Guys, let me tell you right now, you're not gonna believe this Airbnb. So, this is outside. It's a beautiful farm. And when you come in the room, look, there's sloths. And then you come into the room. And look, as you look out the window, you see the water and the animals roaming around out there. It's beautiful. But let's take a look at the kitchen and the living room, or one of the living rooms. Granite countertops, beautiful kitchen sink. Check this out, a breakfast bar where you can sit at and everything. Take a look. Look at this room. Bathroom with a big old tub. Looking out at the farm. The soaps. Check this out. That is so nice. And here, look, there's geese and donkeys and llamas. How awesome is that? That's a cool dresser. So here's the upstairs living room. Look at this fish tank. Tic-tac-toe. Check this out, another bathroom. Look at the bed, it's on ropes. How cool. Come back out to the living room with the beams. That's kind of nice. Another game. TV with video games. Pac-Man game. Bathroom. And that bathroom is connected to this bedroom. Check that out, another one of those. Look, a secret room inside of a cabinet. So cool. Oh look, and if you come in here, you can look down and see in the barn. Oh, there's a camel walking down under there. Oh look, there's the kangaroo. And it's bunk beds. Kids can sleep here and look down and see kangaroos. Look, and then you can see the camel down there too. Look, and fish tanks. How cool. Boy, kids would love to explore this. Look at these fish tanks. That is awesome. Look at this, there's another camel. And then another set of bunk beds. Kids can bring their friends and come stay here. And look down in there, another camel. Oh, and you go through the closet, somewhere else, obviously the other side. And over there, they come out of the cabinet over here. That is so crazy. I had no idea that even existed. Well, great. Thanks for checking out the this Sloth Airbnb with me. See you later.